Today we're here at the Outpatient Health Center, and today is another surgical tech graduation. Big time program that we've had here a lot. I love the nature of it. It's small, it's intimate. They learn all the skills, all the techniques needed because they are a very integral part of a surgery no matter what. Everybody thinks about the doctors, thinks about the nurses. These surge techs make sure that everybody's got everything that they need, and they are the gatekeepers of that sterile field in that room. These folks are going off and they're a part of the Cherokee story. No matter where they land for gainful employment, we know that they are equipped to do the job. We know that they're equipped to show that compassion to everybody within that room because that's the Cherokee way. There's always that, this is part of that pipeline, part of that workforce, and no matter what we need, if we're doing programs like this, we're supplying healthcare in our region. When we take a look at that region, for me, I take a look at the 14 counties that make up the Cherokee Nation Reservation. I also think about the other side of the state, Northwest Arkansas, that being an entirety of a region. There's a lot of healthcare opportunities going on there. So we're filling the gaps in different places, and our name's going far and wide.
I actually fell in love with it watching Grey's Anatomy when I was little. They have a surge tech on there named Boki. I watched her a lot, so I've been wanting to do it for a few years. We control the entire sterile field in an OR. So we set it up, we make sure nobody messes with it, and if anybody does, we correct them. And then we assist the surgeon, we will pass instruments, and we will clean it up after. It's a lot of work. So it's a lot to balance between staying sane and doing all your classwork. The tribe has helped me with whatever issue I ran into money-wise, or if I needed help with anything. It's a great program. You get a great job out of it. You have so many opportunities once you graduate. You can go any way you want. It's a very good stepping stone. Well, I always knew I wanted to help people. I was in and out of this hospital, not me personally, but like with family my entire life. So I've always wanted to kind of go into the medical field somewhere, and I knew I wanted to do it here.